This is Robin. She is 2 years, 10 months old. This is Peter. He is 2 years, 11 months old. This is Darryl. He is 2 years, 10 months old.
Stephen Gibbs, Station 5. Stephen Gibbs.
Andre Paul, Station 9, please.
Elizabeth Carley, Station 2.
Robin, Peter, and Darryl were hospitalized at different times. Each was in the same ward, each for minor surgery. Robin's surgery is for an umbilical hernia.
Yeah. First of all, we go into
Victoria Colabello, Station 7.
No, we can't go now, Peter.
Peter's surgery is to be a hernia repair.
Wait, if you sit here, you'll hear your name being called. Want to hear Peter's name called?
All the children will have brief examinations before being admitted to the ward.
Had any illnesses in the last 2 weeks?
Darryl's operation is for the removal of a rectal polyp.
Would you come around here and hold him for me, please? I want him to just lie on his back and hold his hands up over his head. Okay?
Darryl's aunt has come to help his mother with the hospital procedures. The family is from Puerto Rico, and Darryl's mother has difficulty with English. Darryl understands only a few English phrases and talks only in Spanish.
Attaboy.
Visiting hours are from 2 to 6, but on the morning of admission, the parents are asked to stay until after the resident has examined the child.
This is your admission. Right here is your bed, Peter.
We bought the new pajamas and slippers so you could come to the hospital with them. Don't you want to wear them? All right, well, we'll wait for a while, all right?
We're gonna go back. Far.
Peter, I want to tell you something.
Darryl's aunt is showing the nurse a diaper that he likes to hold when he goes to bed.
You have to stay for a while because the record will have to go forward, okay? Because we have to get the history of the baby. What happened?
Robin, did you bring your pajamas with you? No. No, you didn't bring your pajamas? No. Well, how about I go and get you a pair of pajamas, and you put them on, and then I'll take you in and I'll get you weighed and see how tall you are.
Okay.
Okay? Okay. I'll be back. Peter, you want to put on your new slippers and show me how they look? No! Peter, let's put on your slippers. No, super. Does he have the slippers here? His pajamas and everything?
I have the slippers and the pajamas right here.
Okay. Peter, come on, let's get in bed. Okay? No!
All right, then I'm not going to buy you anything later then. And that nurse can get you a lollipop if you do what she tells you.
What color do you like? Peter? Red.
Do you want a lollipop? A red one?
Can you put your pajamas on for me first? Okay? Come on.
Then I can't go out.
Later, Peter.
Later you can...
No!
Later you can go out.
No!
Peter, come on.
No!
Peter.
like your pajamas, and then you're going to
How old are you, Robin? 2? Got any brothers and sisters? Do you? Are they home? Do you have any that go to school? Yeah? How old are they? Do you know? Do you know? Do you? How old are they? I'm going to take your pulse, okay? You're just going to hold your hand for a little bit.
quite aggressive.
A medical student questions Peter's mother on the sun porch next to the ward.
You should be feeding yourself.
What about in the family? How does he get along with his brothers and sisters?
He gets along very well with them for the simple reason that they give him whatever he wants, because when he starts screaming and have his temper tantrum, then
You say he has more temper tantrums than the rest of the children?
yes.
Like one a day or more often than that?
I'd say 2 or 3 days, especially when you take him out to the store, a place like Alexander's, he throws himself all over the place.
Darryl's father, stationed in Washington, got leave to visit Darryl in the hospital.
And how's your health been?
Fine.
Good. And your husband?
37.
And his health?
Okay.
Any brothers and sisters?
Oh, yes, we have 2 brothers.
2 brothers. And how old are they?
One is 8, and the other one is 5.
And how are they?
They fine.
Does she eat all foods, or is there anything that she
Oh, well,
dislikes?
she doesn't eat too much. She eats the bottom most. Very soft. She eats a little bit, but she doesn't eat enough.
And are there any particular...
Robin's mother had also told the nurse that Robin prefers the bottle to eating.
See, I was coming to the health station, and the doctor told me that she needed to be operated on because it was getting larger and larger.
Let me ask you a question. Can you be Yeah. Let me ask you a question. Can you be a good boy long enough to let me look at your chest and back? Huh? Hop up in the bed and take your shirt off like a good. No needles today, okay? Okay, you hop in the bed. Hold still. Lay back on your back, Pete. Lay back on your back. Pete, let me hear you cough. Cough for me, Peter. Cough. Cough. Cough, buddy.
Now, can you open your mouth and stick your tongue? Well, sit up for me. Open your mouth. I'm not going to have a stick. Ah? Can you say ah for me? No. Stick out your tongue real big and say ah, okay, honey? Come on. Would you like a nice lollipop? We'll give you a big lollipop. You open your mouth and stick out your tongue. Way out. Now say ah. Ah. Okay, can we put this little stick in for a minute just to see? Do you want to hold her hands up? Come, just a minute now. There we go. Let's see. What happened to her teeth? Does she have blood problems? No more sticks. I just want to see your teeth.
Look.
Let me just see your teeth.
Look.
Can you show me your teeth? What happened to her top teeth? She could use a dentist. She's got very bad teeth there. They're all rotting away. And it's going to affect her other teeth when they come in later. She's going to have an effect from that.
Is he allergic to anything like dust or anything like this? Any history? How about any history of asthma?
No.
Okay, Darryl. Can I listen to your chest?
Okay, let's see now. Let me take a listen, okay? Oh, you want to go like that? Okay, you stay like that for a minute. All right. That's good. Okay, sit up for me again. Sit up. Can you sit up? Oh, boy. Oh, sweet. Okay, that's good. Okay, let me feel your neck first. Okay?
Robin's mother is leaving for the day.
I'll be right back.
She told Robin she will be right back.
Push your foot in. Want to push your foot? Push your foot in. Okay? Let me sit. Oh, good girl. I don't think you have any more left in that bottle, have you?
Mommy's gonna go home soon. You're gonna stay here with Daddy, okay?
No.
I'll be back to see you tomorrow.
No. I want to come with you.
I'll have to stay just for a while, a couple of days.
No.
Peter's father has come for the afternoon.
I want to play.
Mommy will get you the nicest toy, whatever you want. You want a big bunny?
I want to stay
Do you want
here.
some trucks? Do you want some trucks?
Mommy has to go home and make supper, and I'll be here.
All right, we'll stay here for a while. Okay, we'll stay for a while.
Robin's mother did not come back as she promised.
Take your shoes off, okay?
That voice belongs to you and Gary.
Darryl's father is trying to teach him English.
You can't have it by yourself, right? You gonna behave yourself?
I'm going to learn English.
Yeah, I'm gonna teach you some English. When you go to school, right? When you go to school? When you go to school? When?
The Sacred Heart School.
2 more years.
All the other children want to go home too. And they will go home just as soon as they're better. We want you to come home with us, but you have to wait here for a day or so. And Daddy will be in to see you tomorrow, Pete. Mommy will be here tomorrow.
No, you stay here. And I want to go home. Change your pants.
hace más al país, que se lo siempre complain.
Is it? Is it hot? Is it?
Oh, that's a big cup of milk.
Peter is having dinner on the sun porch.
What is this?
It's pudding.
Pudding with whipped cream on it. Tell you what we'll do. I'll feed you one spoon and then you feed yourself for one. We'll alternate. How is it? Good? I think she went to smoke a cigarette.
I had dinner last time I was sitting out here.
You had lunch here.
Lunch here.
Was that good too?
And that's dinner.
This is dinner.
Why don't you want to eat? Would you like some cake? Would you like some cake?
Wish I had a big, thick hamburger, said Dewey, stretching out on the grass. What I wouldn't give for a hot dog, said Dewey, dropping down beside him. Pizza for me, said Louie. Louie. The other one is Louie. He likes pizza.
I said goodbye to Mommy.
Okay, besito, Daddy.
Okay, kiss Daddy. Don't go.
Huh? Okay, so God bless you and take care of yourself, okay? Okay? Huh? Yeah, I gotta go. You have to go to work. I'll be back tomorrow, okay? Mañana. You won't cry, would you? You won't cry, right? You're a big boy already, right? Okay, bye-bye. Un beso. Bye.
You sooner or later.
Right. I just didn't know what the best way to handle it would be.
Well, you know your son. Really. I would go in and say goodnight to him and reassure him that you'll be back tomorrow.
Yeah.
Okay?
Well, I have to get down and call Mommy now. I have to make a phone call, and I have to go and do some other things. But I'll be back as soon as I can. I'll bring some candy, and what else? What would you like?
Candy and bubble gum.
Bubble gum? Sure. Okay, I'll get you some bubble gum. You want chocolate candy?
Chocolate candy and bubble gum.
Big box or little box?
Big box.
Okay, I'll be in tomorrow with the candy. Okay, you good boy.
The mother of another patient brings Darryl toys to cheer him up.
Tell me which color you want. You want this color? This one?
A volunteer.
Which one? You pick it up. That one? Okay. You want to hang on to that one? What are you going to do with it? You want to make it into a circle? Like this? Hold. Hold, hold, hold. Now hold it here. With this hand. With this hand.
No, no, it's not going to hurt. Did I say it wasn't going to hurt? Do you understand me? Do you understand me, yes or no?
A medical student is examining Darryl.
Huh? Do you talk? You're almost 3 years old. Do you talk? Very good, very good. There we go. Okay.
What do you think we should do with them? You want to make something else? You do. What would you like to make? Shall we make a chocolate cake? Okay, let's see what we can do.
After the examination, Darryl looks for his friend's parents who have left, and for his diaper from home, which someone put in the hospital laundry.
Don't cry. You want to go to sleep? Okay, well, don't cry then, because if you cry, I'm going to put you in bed. All right? Huh? Darryl, come here. Come here. You want to be a good boy? You not? Why? You want to go to bed? Huh? When you do cry, you're going to bed. That's where you go when if you cry.
The children are given injections an hour before they are taken to the operating room.
Okay? Yeah, hold on. Just a little piece, all right? Okay. Okay, that's all. No more. No more. Okay? Okay. Okay, don't crush. That's all. Okay.
I have to give you a little pinch to your leg, okay? And it's going to make you sleepy. It's going to make you go to sleep.
No! I'm not going to sleep.
You don't want to go to sleep?
No!
There's a Band-Aid. We can put on it after we put the little pinch on your leg.
No!
Oh, my. Can you hold real still? Can you hold your leg real still? Attaboy. Attaboy. There. Now you can hold your doggy, but you have to stay in bed, Peter. Everybody else in bed.
Darryl's surgery is scheduled later in the morning. He is not allowed any breakfast.
taking care of you. Oh, you're going to cry again? Just take it easy. You're a big girl, you know? Yeah. The doctor's not going to hurt you. You're going to be sound asleep the whole time. No? Yes, you are. We'll put you to sleep. We'll give you some medicine that'll make you go to sleep. Yes. Don't you want to go to sleep? No. You want to stay here? Why are you crying? Huh? You don't want to go to sleep? No. But the doctor has to put you to sleep so he can fix your tummy. I want you to hold your leg very still for me. The nurse is going to help you, okay? She's going to help you hold your leg still. And if you want to scream and yell, you can, okay? Darryl, don't yell yet. It's not time. Now yell. It's almost finished, Darryl. All done. All done, honey. Oh, all done, sweetheart. It's all done. Here's the Band-Aid. Hold the Band-Aid for me. Can you open the Band-Aid up? Open the Band-Aid. What'd you say, Darryl? What'd you say?
Darryl is asking for his diaper from home.
I don't understand what you're saying, Darryl. Mommy get a cold rag and wash your face with it? Want Mommy to stay next to you?
Don't come here this morning. You're going to trip. Stay away.
Cosito. You feel alright? You do? You cried yesterday? Why? Why did you cry? You feel alright? You do?
Don't open it? All right. I'll leave it there for you, okay? Anything else? Uncle Pat bought you presents. See? Uncle Pat got you a nice present. No. Look. Don't open it? Just turn it around.
Peter's mother has told the doctor that she hopes Peter can go home the following day.
Don't you think, Dave?
Yeah, well, you know, maybe tomorrow afternoon, if he's all right tomorrow.
Well, we'll see how
Fine,
things go.
just, let me know.
Will you need much notice? I mean, if you,
No.
when you come in to see him tomorrow, if we say it's okay.
Robin is asking for her bottle.
Let me see what happened to the ball. Ain't no see the ball. Hold on. We'll wait till the nurse bring the ball, okay? I'm gonna tell the nurse to bring the ball, okay? Right. Right, I'm gonna get your ball, okay? What? The cup. Want some water? I have to see the nurse if she's a good.
Just make sure, sit her up when she has it. Because otherwise, she won't be able to.
I want you to drink some juice and try and do pee-pee for Mommy, okay? Good boy. Sit down. Take it out.
Peter, no. Don't be so violent. You want to go to sleep? You want to go to sleep? Why? You're not sleepy, right?
You sit up and lean back against the back.
All the parents left for the evening while their children were dozing.
Just like that. There's some ginger ale. Can you hold it in your hand? You want me to feed you? Huh? You hold it. You want a bottle of ginger ale? You want some ginger ale in a bottle? Will you drink it? Okay. Here you go.
Want to go to bed? Well, why don't you stay up for a while? It's morning. No, come on, let's go find your breakfast. You must have some, don't you think? And get Orson's. Have you had your slippers on and been up at all?
You're an awfully big girl if you're drinking from a bottle, aren't you, Robin?
You don't want to eat with the other kids?
No.
You want to eat right here all by yourself?
Peter wants his breakfast on the sun porch.
It's awful big table. Why don't you come out and eat with the other kids? Ready?
You want it in the bottle? Come on.
The secretary on the floor.
Now, you want to eat? No? You want to play with this? Uh-oh, no. Nothing? Oh, this guy. Big. Robin, what's the matter? Come on, let me love you like Mama can love you. Come on. All you want is love, huh? Hi, Robin. Nothing, not one thing I can do to make you happy. What's the matter, Robin? I know you miss your mom, but she's coming down. She'll be here. Wash your eyes. Okay, wash your other one. Good boy. Wash your ears. Wash your ears. Wash your ears. Just like that. Okay, wash your other ear. That's a boy. Okay. Good boy. Dry. Dry.
Rusty, I thought I told you to stay away. I know, but Daddy wanted to see you.
Hello, witch. Say, your hair looks different.
Beautiful, isn't it?
That's my hair, and I want it back. I don't want you wearing it.
That's so. But you'll get out of here, too.
Who else did the nursery learn today? I think there's a cow that jumped over a moon. You know that one? Hey diddle diddle. Hey diddle diddle, the cat and the fiddle. The cow jumped over the moon.
Don't you want to play with the other kids? Look at that. They're all playing so nicely. Okay, you can play for a while, Peter, and then we'll get you washed up. Yes. Don't forget your chin. Okay, let me help you out a little, okay? Then you can go back out in the porch. Do you like it out in the porch?
Yeah.
Why do you like it there?
My uncle.
Hmm?
My uncle.
Oh, it's your own porch. Do you have a porch at home? No? Not at all? Not even for the summertime?
Darryl's parents brought him another diaper from home.
Hi. Hi. What's new? Tell me what happened. What's new?
Peter, are you happy now? Yeah. Oh, a little while he was crying, you know, but then I told him you'd come in later, and he settled down.
I told you, please don't think Mommy wouldn't come to see you, okay? Let me put your slippers on, huh?
I want you to try and drink some of it from a cup, and then afterwards we'll put the rest in the bottle if you can't drink from a cup, okay? Okay? Like all the other kids. You want, hey, I got an idea, Robin. You want to sit on my lap and drink it? You just said you wanted some milk, didn't you? Do you want it in your bottle? You want it in the bottle? You can't drink any of it from the cup? You won't even try? A little bit? Can you hold it? Show me if you can hold it. You won't drink any of it, all right? Put it in your bottle.
Hi, Rob.
What's the matter? What's the matter? Was you bad? Rob? Was you bad?
You want to see how it works? Watch Mommy show you. Drop it on the floor and it will bounce. Drop it on the floor. Drop it on the floor. See? You like that?
Yeah.
I have a surprise for you after you eat your dinner. All right?
A new pair of pajamas for Robin.
That's a dog. What's that?
That's Liz.
Hmm?
That's Liz.
This Leslie? Oh. Let's see, what's this? The wood chopper saw the wolf, and what did he do? He
Chopped the roof off.
Right, he chopped the roof off, and there was no more wolf to frighten poor little Red Riding Hood.
Yeah.
Yeah, isn't that a sad story? Is he going home tomorrow?
Let me just check on his temp.
All right.
And with you here, I'll take his dressing off.
Oh, fine. Oh, you're a coward.
Well, it would have taken a team to submit him.
Right. Put your slinky in the bag. Okay?
Peter's doctor agreed to let him go home the day after surgery.
It's in here. That's it. The rest of the stuff we'll leave here. No, leave that here. I'll leave that to Cheryl, and I'll buy you another one when we get home. I'll buy you one in Catherine.
No! No! No!
I'll buy you. All right. Do you want to take it home? I'll take it home.
Can you make us goodbye? Oh, thank you. Bye-bye.
Robin and Darryl will stay another night in the hospital.
You got paper?
Robin asked to go to the bathroom. While she is there, her mother leaves for the evening, telling the nurse she is going.
What's your name? What's your name? What's it? What's it?
Bad. Don't go. I'm not going. Put away your coat.
Okay, okay.
Darryl's mother hangs her coat behind the curtain, tells him they are just going for water, and then they leave. The grandmother of another patient.
That's beside the point. I investigate.
You were Superman?
Look at Eileen. Look at Eileen. She's good. She's not there. She's good. I don't know what I'm going to do with her. Leave her here. Why? Leave her there. That's it. Take her. I'll see you. Bye-bye.
Mommy and Daddy are going to come take you home. But you have to wait for them.
Daddy and Mommy.
They're going to bring your clothes. Mommy and Daddy are going to come take you home. Darryl?
Make me a funny face. You don't want to make me a funny face? Give me a kiss? You don't want to give me a kiss? Don't you like me?
Oh. Hello, Pooh.
Come, you've gone home today. Come on. Robin? Robin, come. Daddy?
You ready to go home? Yeah? You don't want to stay here no more, right? Yes.
Hi, Robin. You won't go home. You're going home, okay? Was you bad? Did you cry yesterday? You cried last night too? You did?
You can't just say goodbye to the nurse? Hmm? Yeah. Give a kiss. Dale un besito.
Come here. Goodbye.
Dale un besito.
Goodbye. Here, this is yours too. Let's get yours pink.
Okay. Say goodbye. Dile adiós. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Goodbye. You can say that to me. Bye, Robin.
Bye.
You want to be going home, Robin? Yes. Bye. No more tears?
Wish I was a fuzzy wuzzy fox. Wish I was a fuzzy wuzzy fox. If I was a fuzzy wuzzy fox, I wouldn't have to change my socks. I wish I was a fuzzy wuzzy fox.
Somebody buy me candy! I go, come on, let me get my shoes.
I'm not going to get you shoes. Get your own shoes. Don't lean on that door. What?
That's my shoes. Where are they?
Where did you put them before? There in the car?
There is hot. The candy's hot. There. No, they're not in there. I put them in there.
All right, Andrew, you go get your shoes for me.
Get my shoes. Otra hora. Mira.
Eso lo puesto así. Robin, no, not all that much. Too much. Put some of it back. Okay, let me take a nap. Don't cry.
You take a nap?
I'm getting cold.
Bye, Mom. Bye. Who's that? Who's that, Ramos? Can you talk? Ramos.